In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change list colors in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your board is easier to scan and more visually organized. All you need is a Trello account and a board with at least one list you'd like to customize. First, head to Trello.com in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. This opens your Trello home where you can quickly jump into the boards you use most often. If you work in more than one workspace, make sure you're in the right place so you color the lists on the board you actually want to update. Next, click Boards. This takes you to a view of the boards you have access to. Think of it as your dashboard of projects. If you don't immediately see the board you want, use the search bar or switch to the correct workspace to find it quickly. Now select a board and click to open it. You'll see your lists across the top, moving from left to right. Each list has a header with its title and a small menu icon that controls settings for just that list. We're going to use that menu to change the list's color. On the list you want to customize, click the three dots on the list header. This opens the list menu. If you don't see the icon at first, hover your mouse over the header area and it should appear. The menu is where you can rename the list, move it, and, importantly for this video, adjust the list color. From that menu, choose the option to change the list color. A color palette will appear. Click the color you want to apply and you'll see the header change instantly. If you're experimenting, feel free to try a few colors until one stands out clearly against your board background and remains easy to read. High contrast choices tend to be more accessible and easier on the eyes during long work sessions. If you change your mind later, come back to the same menu and pick a different color or reset it to the default. A quick tip as you pick colors: use them intentionally. For example, you might color lists by priority, by stage in your workflow, or by team ownership. Keeping a simple color legend in mind helps everyone on the board understand what the colors mean at a glance and prevents visual clutter. That's all there is to it. Go to Trello, open your boards, select the board you want, open the lists menu, and change the list color. Repeat for any other lists you want to highlight, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized Trello board.